Really excited about him, along with Noah Caliscan. Caliscan scored the only goal for Portland. Had a goal and 2 assists in the 3-0 victory last week. De La Cerda gets the start. MLS Next, Week 2 in full swing. Week 1 saw a total of 43 goals scored in the 13 opening week games. It's an average of about 3.3, up from last year's 2.5. Murray told me, they've got a good 3 years to build this program into what they want it to be, and they're barely into year 2. So they're just looking for some kind of progress after last season. This is close to a foul in the box. Blancas buries it. And Griffith chases it down. Corner through everybody. Tingy looked like he had the best shot at it. Here's another one off the crossbar and then cleared away. Quakes keep it alive. And there's 2. Could only contain him for so long. And it's Tingy who makes it 2-0. A 3-0 victory over LA Galaxy 2 last week. Now they are comfortably ahead by 2. Although Portland trying to answer, and the header goes just wide. Sealy tried to wind it up, took a deflection, and then Belichick makes the save on Hannigan, or else this would have been 3-0 San Jose. A fortunate bounce, but Belichick. So Misic, Penn, and Griffith stand over this. One of the better opportunities today. Misic on frame, just wide. Ooh. How much closer can Portland get? Misic with some room. Misic winds up off the crossbar. Oh, that kind of night for Timbers too. Wow. Misic cannot believe it. Clegg given some room. Clegg will tee it up. Oh, he sent it wide. A lot of pace on that from a long range. And play rolls on. Long ball ahead for Chow. Who gets there first? It's Chow. His low cross. Here's a shot over the board. Richmond almost had his second in as many games. And then Chow with a great ball back in. I'll tell you what, Pope might have got a time winding down for Portland. Here's a chance for San Jose. Just off the bench on a big save by Belichick. And there it is. San Jose with a dominant road performance. They earned 3 points away at Portland. They take this one.